today's budget is a very positive budget. It lays a foundation for a better India. So we've seen a major change in the tax regime. The new bill will come out next week though, but we've been given a hint that, the tax slab for nil tax is 12 lakh rupees now, which is a huge boost. The last time it was around 7.5 lakh rupees. So if you see the standard deduction of 75,000 for a salaried employee, the nil tax slab goes up to 12.75 lakhs. And it'll boost the market sentiment. You'll see the market also booming now, and purchase capacity, because India is a predominantly middle class driven society, a middle class driven economy, and I feel that this will give a huge boost to local trade, economy, everything. It is very friendly for the general public. It's middle class, like I said, is the center point of this budget. MSMEs have been focused. MSME forms India's backbone. MSME contributes to almost 36% of GDP. There are almost 5 crore MSMEs registered, and they employ over 7.5 crore people annually. And MSME has been given a boost. Credit guarantee schemes, which were given previously, have been increased. For micro industries, for up to 10 lakh industries registered with the Udyam, they will get a special credit card. Maybe heard it on the budget that'll have a loan limit of up to 5 lakh rupees. There is a fund of funds for startups, a new fund of fund up to 10,000 crore for startup. For women entrepreneurs, up to 5 lakh women entrepreneurs will get a loan of up to 2 crore rupees. So, there's an overall sentiment that we are moving towards a new India.
So there is a drastic change in the slab rate. What we were expecting and what we get, there is a lot of difference. We were expecting something else, we get something else. This increased slab is taken in a very positive way. Now the people, if we talk about the India is a base of the middle class people, and they are the key factors for the building of the nation. And this is a major tax relief to those guys who are earning up to 12 lakh of the income, and for the salary persons, so those who are earning up to 12.75, 75.75 is considered as a standard deduction, and they have to pay no tax on up to income of 12.75. And this is a big and drastic step for the middle class people.
Overall, this budget is friendly for common.
Yeah, this is, but obviously, if a common man mostly dependent on the salaries and on basic income up to 1 lakh per month. If we consider a person earning income of 1 lakh per month, he has to pay no tax.